everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be creating this makeup tutorial by DOPE2111, and she makes absolutely amazing makeup tutorials, as you can see. And I've been seeing these videos floating around recreating other YouTubers' makeup tutorials, so I thought I would step the game up and do something completely out of my comfort zone. As you can see, this makeup tutorial is something that I wouldn't do on an everyday basis, so I'm accepting the challenge and I'm going to go and try it. I've even done my hair like hers as she's getting ready, so I've gone to the full extent and I'm already holding my beauty blender at the ready. This will be quite fun and exciting, so let's just get on with the video.
Always is making sure that the skin is evened out and flawless. I'm using Clinique's newest foundation and just dabbing it on the face, also down the neck with this pink beauty blender.
Using the Clinique one, I'm going to use the Maybelline Stay Matte foundation. Give this video a thumbs up if you actually used to play with Bratz dolls when you were younger, because I know I did. And I also loved my scene.
Oh, and I almost forgot, the brows are going to be concealed, so I'm taking this Elmer's washable glue and just pressing it on until the hairs are nice and flat. Now I'm just applying the rest of the foundation.
And she said that this is to cover them and to make sure that they're stuck down. And this feels so unnatural to do, but I think I'm going to go in with a more full coverage foundation. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty foundation and I'm going to pat this on the top of my forehead, just to cover my brows a lot more.
Next, I'm taking Trick and Treat Active Propolis Cream Concealer from Hey Honey, and I'm applying it on my cheeks, which is technically my under eye today, and also on the high points.
I'm going to go ahead and use my All Nighter concealer, and she said she's applying it quite far down because these are going to be our under eyes, which seem quite scary at this point because I don't know quite what I'm doing. And then I think she says she applies it on the highest points of her face as well. So now that is all done, let's see what she's doing now.
Then I'm brushing on a layer of powder foundation to keep everything in place. I'm ready to do the eye makeup, but first I'm going to use the eyeshadow primer.
So she's gone on with loads of powder foundation. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation in medium light cool. And she said that this packs everything in place.
One is Photo Finish Lid Primer from Smashbox Cosmetics.
Use my Urban Decay Free Base.
Now you can do a lot of fun color combos for the eye makeup. I'm doing this darker purple and pink, so I'm applying it right underneath my actual brows. A cut crease is a must when you do a Bratz doll look, so I'm taking a thick concealer and applying it to the upper half of my eyes.
So I'm just going to use this pink from the Urban Decay Flush palette.
Once that's set, I'm going to take this hot pink eyeshadow from Makeup Addictions and sweep it on. On the lower lash line, I'm going to draw on my cartoon eyes. I got this cool idea from Miss Gay Mats from Instagram, so even when I open my eyes, it's going to look like it's part of the cartoon eye. Then I'm going to make the iris. It's this half circle starting literally from the lash line. You can also add some brown and yellow if you want more dimension.
I'm going to use this green here and I'm going to put that in the centers of where my eye is going to be.
Now I'm going to go ahead and do some shading, especially around the whites. Shading is just going to make it look more realistic.
I'm going to use a mini Kat Von D liner and I'm going to follow the steps that she did.
This part is all about outlining, so I'm taking NYX Cosmetics Black Gel Liner and lining my upper lash line just like how you would normally do your eyeliner. After that, you just want to go around the whites and then also the iris. Next, I'm going to take this Black Beauty Blending Crease Brush from Furless and apply some more purple on the outer corners. This is going to make the eyes look more pulled up. To help make the eyes twinkle, I'm going to draw a giant dot on the iris, and then with a gel black eyeliner, we're going to start making the long, luscious lashes on the top and also on the sides. If you want to be extra glam like most Bratz dolls, you can also apply some glitter. I know you can't tell in this camera, but it's super sparkly and pretty in life. To do the brows, I'm going to take Shella's eyebrow pencil in Elegant Ebony. This is great for natural brows, but right here I'm just using it to trace and then go over it with this brown eyeliner pen.
So then I'm just going to go in with a Kylie Cosmetics brown lip liner and just enhance everything I just did. They kind of look really close together, so yeah.
Last step for the eyes is mascara. I'm taking Tarte's Deluxe Lifted Sweatproof Mascara and just blending the lashes with the black liner.
And then she's adding some mascara. God knows why. I mean, these lashes are full.
Now straight to the nose contouring. So Bratz dolls, their noses are really teeny tiny, so you want to contour as close as possible. Okay, this is definitely my favorite part. I'm using a dark mauve lip liner and extremely overlining around my actual lips. It's kind of like Instagram lips in 2020. And to fill in the whole lips, I'm going to take Rimmel London's Lasting Finish by Kate Nude Collection in shade 47. Nasty fashion doll. We brought back childhood memories for some of you. Anyways, happy Halloween, and
So this is the finished look. Give it a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed. This was so fun, and I literally credit her so much for doing these tutorials. The lady that I copied her makeup tutorial, I will leave her channel down below so you can go and watch that one. But without further ado, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.